Hi, and welcome to AI Business Hub, where we help businesses like yours leverage AI tools to save time and money. Today, I'm going to show you how to create professional marketing images using AI in under 10 minutes. Think about your last marketing campaign. How much time did you spend on the visuals? How much did you pay designers? What if I told you that you could create stunning, brand-consistent visuals in minutes instead of days, and for pennies instead of hundreds of pounds? On the left, you're seeing images created by professional designers. On the right, images I created using AI in just minutes. Can you tell the difference? By the end of this video, you'll be able to create images like these for your own business. First, let's talk about which AI image generator to use. For businesses just starting out, I recommend ChatGPT. Here's why. It's user-friendly with minimal setup. The commercial usage rights are clear. The quality is professional grade for most marketing needs. Now for the most important part, creating images that actually work for marketing. The secret is what I call the business image formula. The first is the subject or the product. Next is the context or the environment. The third is the style or aesthetic. And last, the technical specifications. Let's look at some real examples. Let's say we run a coffee shop and need social media images. Here's how we'd apply our formula. Notice how I specified. The subject is a cup of coffee. The context is a rustic table cafe setting with a morning light. The style is a modern lifestyle photography that is vibrant. And the technical is a shallow depth of field and high resolution. Looks quite cool, right? Let's try one more example for a different business. A professional woman using a sleek laptop in a bright, modern office space with minimal decor. Corporate photography style with clean lines, professional lighting optimized for social media, 16.9 aspect ratio. This formula works across any industry. The key is being specific about all four elements. One of the biggest challenges for businesses using AI is maintaining brand consistency. Here are 3 techniques to ensure your AI images align with your brand. Include your brand colors in the prompt like this. For example, using a color palette of deep navy blue, coral, and cream, and include the hex numbers. Try to think of a reference-specific visual style that matches your brand. And try to create a set of 3 to 5 adjectives that define your brand's visual identity and include them in every prompt, such as elegant, sophisticated, and warmly inviting. Here's a series of very simple images for this example. I created using these techniques for the same fictional brand. Notice how they all feel like part of the same family despite being different subjects. Sometimes your first result isn't perfect. This poor person is suffering from having 6 fingers. Instead of starting over, here are quick fixes. You can select the image and use the selection tool and tell ChatGPT to update the hand to only have 5 fingers. If the style is right, but composition is off, then you can ask ChatGPT to keep the same style as previous image, but show the product from a 45-degree angle with more space around it. As you start to work more and more on images and discover what works and what doesn't, I suggest you save your prompts in a document for future reference. This creates a prompt library you can reuse and refine. And there you have it. You now know what the steps are to creating professional marketing images with AI in under 10 minutes. Obviously, I have just touched on the basics. There is so much more to creating images for your business marketing needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other business owners who could benefit from these AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.